Hi, welcome to the first week of our Sal's 10 Mobile Things workshop. In this first week, we're going to be setting up our Tumblr blogs, and you'll be using your Tumblr blog to write posts about the activities that we're going to be doing throughout the rest of the workshop. So I've just got a couple of short tutorials to help you get your Tumblr blog set up if you're not familiar with Tumblr yet. If you go to tumblr.com and you don't already have a Tumblr blog, you'll need to set one up, and on the sign up screen it asks you of course for your email, create a password, add a username, and then click on sign up. The next screen asks you how old you are and to agree to the terms of service for Tumblr. Then you're into the screen where you'll be actually setting up your blog itself. The first thing you want to do there is type in a title, and I just said Polyalida's TMT blog. That can be anything you want. Second thing is a description of what your blog is about, and that's optional. You don't need to put anything there, or you could if you want to. The options up at the top, those little arrows, just change what the background of the blog will look like, and I've just got those pretty blue wavy things there, but you can click through those arrows and customize that a bit, and of course you can always go back and customize that later as well. The other option on this screen is to upload an avatar or a little photo of yourself, and I didn't bother with that, but again, that's something you can go back and do later. And then you click on Make It at the bottom, and that takes you to the dashboard. And the dashboard is where you start when you go into your Tumblr account, and it's the section of the your Tumblr account that shows you all the latest content from all the blogs that you're subscribed to. And when you start with Tumblr, you're not already subscribed to any blogs, and Tumblr does ask that you subscribe to at least 3 blogs before they'll let you go on to the next step and finish your blog setup. So I went up to the top to the search box on the right there, and since I love to garden, I typed in gardening, and as I added gardening blogs and started following them, the content started showing up in the middle of the dashboard there. So you see some pretty garden pictures in the middle of the dashboard. So we're going to come back and talk about the dashboard more in the next tutorial. But once you've subscribed to 3 blogs, any blogs you want, you can continue on to the next step, and that screen is just asking you if you want to install any of the mobile device apps. So it gives you an option for the Apple app and the Android app and the Windows app. And all that does is actually send you an email with a link to the app. So you don't really need to do that if you don't want to, because you can go to your mobile device and get the app from the App Store. So do it or not, doesn't matter. Then you're all set. Your Tumblr blog is set up. You just have to do one more thing. You need to go to your email account and actually verify your email address, and then you'll return to your Tumblr dashboard. And we're going to cover a lot more about the dashboard in the next couple of tutorials, and then you'll know all about posting and reblogging and be able to work with your Tumblr account. All right, see you next time.